In this video, I am going to show you how to create an Instagram post with Canva. Get started. If you're new to Canva, sign up or log in to your account. Click on the Create a Design at the top of your Canva homepage. Use the search bar to find the Instagram post template category. Browse through the diverse selection of template to find that aligns with your vision. Canva's drag and drop editor makes it easy to personalize your chosen template. Adjust elements on the canvas to fit your brand and message. Change up text, images, colors, and fonts to match your unique style. Personalize your post by adding your own text and images, which Canva offers a variety of fonts and text styles to convey your message effectively. You can upload your own photos or choose from Canva's vast library of free stock images. Tailor the background of your post to complement your content, choosing from solid colors, gradients, or custom images. Apply filters to your photos or add visual impact. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.